So the other day I was just taking some pictures to post on my Instagram with this lens. It's a Nikon 70 to 300mm zoom lens. So when I preview those pictures, I had a little problem with it. It has a lot of chromatic aberration. Yeah, those blue and purple lines. Well, if you use Lightroom, I get a quick solution for that. Well, let's see. So this is my image. If we zoom in, we can see there are a lot of chromatic aberration and we need to fix it. So now let's scroll down to lens correction and click on remove chromatic aberration. Well, this is gonna work for light chromatic aberration, but if this works for you, congrats. But if this isn't, let's move on to the next step. So the next step is to remove it manually. To do that, click on manual and click on fringe color selector and select the part that have chromatic aberration and just play with the sliders until you're satisfied. And that's how you remove chromatic aberration from your pictures.